This is class third C. Class third C. Subject GSC. Date 13 on 2021. Today we are studying lesson 17. The moon and its phases. Lesson 17. The moon and its phases. Now in this lesson they have to study worksheet 17. Worksheet 17. A. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So, first, our moon is at a distance of about kilometers from the earth. So our moon is at a distance of about 384,000 kilometers from the earth. So here first you have to fill 384 384,000 kilometers from the earth. Now second, see, the moon is a satellite of the earth. So here you have to write, the moon is a natural satellite of the earth. So write a natural. Now third, the moon gets light from the sun. The moon gets light from the sun. From the sun. Next, decreasing of the lighted part of the moon is called Decreasing of the lighted part of the moon is called waning. Waning moon. And fifth, you see, fifth, increasing of the lighted part of the moon is called waxing moon. It's called waxing moon. Waxing moon. So once again we can see fill in the blanks. First, our moon is at a distance of about 3,84,000 kilometers from the earth. Now second, the moon is a natural satellite of the earth. Second, you see, the moon is a natural satellite of the earth. Now third, the moon gets light from the sun. The moon gets light from the sun. Now next, fourth, you see, fourth, decreasing of the lighted part of the moon is called waning moon, and increasing of the lighted part of the moon is called waxing moon. So in this way, now we can see, tick the right answer. Next, tick the right answer. B. Take the right answer. Take the right answer. So first, the moon is smaller, oblique, bigger than the earth. So here first, the moon is smaller than the earth. First, you have to write smaller. Smaller. And second, we see full moon twice, oblique, once a month. We see full moon twice, oblique, once a moon. So here once is correct option. Now third, the moon moves around the sun, oblique, earth. The moon moves around the sun, oblique, earth. So the moon moves around the earth. And fourth, we see the moon in 16/8 different phases. We see the moon in 16/8 different phases. So here 16 will be correct option. We see the moon in 16 different phases. So here you have to write 16. Now fifth, the surface of the moon has huge holes, oblique, no holes. So the surface of the moon has huge holes. Huge holes. So once again we can see, tick the right answer. So first, the moon is smaller, oblique, bigger than the earth. So the moon is smaller than the earth. Now second, we see full moon once oblique twice a month. So here we see full moon once a month. Second month. Now third, the moon moves around the sun oblique earth. So correct. The moon moves around the earth. Now fourth, we see the moon in 16 oblique 8 different phases. So we see the moon in 16 different phases. Now fifth, the surface of the moon has huge holes oblique nose. So huge holes, and the surface of the moon has huge holes. So thank you. That's part of it.